Hi everyone. Today I will be exploring the Todoist or Todoist app. Okay. Now, sa unang pindan mo sa Todoist or sa Todoist is ito ang lalabas. So I will be choosing continue with Google account. Continue lang. Yan. Then continue. Then, okay na. Let's wait. I will be using for education purposes. Continue. And then, yan. Pwede siyang palitan ng profile. And then, your name. I think magpapalit ako ng name para mas madaling makilala. Yan. Then, launch Todoist or Todoist. Yan. Allow natin. Organize your task for the day, the morning overview, evening review that's left to get done, onboarding assistant, learn how to best use Todoist or Todoist. Yan, enable. Yan, first, meron tayo ditong today, the calendar, January 27, Monday. Pwede natin siyang i-check, check. If you are done on that task, and if you're not done, pwede naman natin siyang meron ditong copy link to today, then view, then activity log. Yan, pwede natin siyang i-delete task, activity log, yan yung dito sa app na to. Meron ditong plus, pwede kang gumawa ng task here, meeting later 8 o'clock PM onwards. Yan, deadline wala, inbox for education, #education, #routines, yan, wala tayo. At time task, priority din today. Then, pwede na natin siyang i-post. Yan. And if it's done, check lang natin then, congrats. Undo. And then next is the view. Yan. Pwedeng board, pwedeng calendar, pwede siya i-upgrade for calendar. Yan, list. Sa board tayo. Meron dito grouping, sorting, assign, deadline, priority level, and pwede natin siyang i-reset all if sobrang gulo na niya, nalilito na kayo sa mga task na need gawin, pwede siyang i-reset. Then done. Okay. And then punta tayo dito sa mga upcoming. So, here is we have the calendar for us to see kung anong task today. Ayan. So, etong Friday, January 31, pwede mo siyang i-check if it's done. Yan. Yan, nandyan lahat ng mga needs mo. Ilalagay mo na lang dyan para organize yung mga task and mga information that you needed to done. Next is search. Ito. Yan. Pwede kang mag-search ng task, projects, etc. here for you to easily see the task you needed to see. Lastly is the browse. Yan. Meron tayo ditong inbox. Inbox. Filters and labels. Okay. My projects. Ayan. Nakasave dito yung mga projects mo. The educations. Yan. Manage projects. Browse templates. Yan. Pwede kang mag-search ng mga templates mo dyan para mas madali mong laman yung needed mo na template. Meron ditong ring and the unread. Settings. Meron tayong settings. Ito yung account natin kanina. Then, the general. Yan. Home viewed. Yan. Yan yung general. Next is the calendar. Yan. Theme. Today's theme. Dito tayo sa dark. Sa tangerine. Moonton. Dito tayo sa dark. Yan. Pro themes. Next is app icon. App icon. Tingnan natin kung nag-iba. Yun. Next natin if itong dark. Okay, kung nag-iba. So, dito tayo sa original. Yan. O, yun na. Okay na. Next, paper icon. Yan. Yung mga bayad. Next, navigation. Nandyan lahat. Yan. Completed. Next, notifications, morning overview, evening review, onboarding assistance, project notifications, today's business, subscribes email. Then last, hindi pa pala siya last, meron din tayong Siri like sa iPhone. Meron Siri, help and feedback about what's new, sync, and logout. Yun. So, yun lang naman yung mga featured na meron si Todoist or Todist. And thank you for watching. I hope it finds helpful to watch this kind of video. Thank you for your time and bye bye.